Okay, so I was able to get behind each of these tiles, and so I'm just kind of gently pulling them away. That one looks like it's popped off. And yes, it's tearing the drywall paper, and that's okay. So there, we've got that one off. And then this one came off pretty good, pretty quickly. This one, let's see what we've got, because like I said, it's there's some damage to the drywall behind there, a little further up than where we're pulling. I'm not sure. I'm trying to be careful, but it looks like there's a hole back there, so. Okay, yeah, so there you go. There's quite a bit of damage back there to the drywall. So that's going to be something we're going to have to fix, because I wonder if they had water damage at one point. I don't know. So look at a big section of the drywall, and this is glue. This is, they took a big chunk of glue. They were probably trying to get this tile to stay on the wall, and there wasn't much to attach it to. So yeah, we're gonna have to, since our baseboard is going to sit here, we have to have, we can't have nothing to attach it to. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this, oh my gosh, this goes way in. I'm not quite sure why we've got this hole in here, but yeah, there's a big hole. You can see the framing. So yeah, this, somehow they must have, they punctured, I don't know what they did, but you know, we'll see. Maybe, I mean, there's no drywall to attach it to. So yeah, that's going to be an issue. We'll probably have to patch this. So either way, it looks like I can see now. I'll have to clean all that out. But I can see, here's our grout. I'm gonna have to kind of chip away all the way along here. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm shaking the camera. This must be probably is making you sick. Okay, see if I can do this without shaking so much. A little piece of grout. So I'm just going to go along here again and smooth it off, that grout, screwdriver, so that we have a nice level and smooth surface to put our plank on. Go all the way down in there. And I just don't know why they were so generous with this grout and went under here. Like I said, that's going to be an issue because I have to be able to get in there.